So let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's hit it.
Wait a minute, what are we gonna do about Nick Peterman, though?
What are you talking about?
Nick Peterman of Peterman Media. We need to be careful, since he is one of Callweather's biggest clients. He's already agreed to fly in to Spokane. I don't know how much time we have. I guess we just should promise to partner him with another client. Oh, this would have been such a great marriage.
So your firm handles Peterman Media?
Yeah. Yeah. They were interested in getting into faith-based content, so I pitched him a partnership with Shining Light. He was very excited.
Oh.
We started talking about TV ministry, books, reality TV, and this and that. He thinks you guys are going to be the next Olstein, but
this is a done deal.
Listen, I do want to say before we leave, I really am sorry.
And I'm sorry for her as well.
You know what? If Nick is flying in right now, we can take a meeting with him. Take that long.
Probably couldn't hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it, guys.
Nick, thanks again for flying in. I think Shining Light is the perfect investment, and I will be your primary. Yes, me too. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad we could make the deal. All right. Okay, bye.
You are really good at your job.
That is because my job requires me to lie, Mom. Something I perfected a long time ago, right?
I never asked you to lie, Jeannie.
You did. You did, and you still want to keep doing it. But I can't. I didn't break up with Wes. We're engaged. The wedding is in 2 months. And I didn't tell you because I don't want us to do the whole why isn't Daddy around dance that we've been doing for the last 16 years. So we have to lie and pretend about every goddamn thing about how he hurt you. About how he hurt me when he left. But people talk, Mom. People fucking know that Daddy wasn't at work. Okay? And no matter how many pageants you made me do, people still knew. Okay, we were still the same fucking family. And I am done pretending. I'm done. But you keep going, okay? You have a blast.
Monica, awkward. Nobody's here but me. So, where's the old man? Jeremiah is with your son. It's Thursday. Roscoe has dance. Everybody knows Roscoe has dance. Oh, aren't you the happy little homemaker? What can I do for you, Monica? Well, I think you've heard some bad things about me. And some of them might be true. I'm not perfect. Then neither are you, though, right? Yeah, Marty ran a hypothetical past a friend of ours, lawyer. GHB can be tricky. I don't like to be fucked with, Monica. I bite too. Well, I want to be friends. I'm here to be friends. I want to be a good mom to Roscoe, and I realize that you're here to stay.
That's right. I am staying here indefinitely.
And I knew it when I heard him tell you that he loved you. And now that I know how serious the both of you are, I will respect the fact that your place is here with my husband. Oh, ex-husband. Habit. And lose that habit, Monica? Ooh. Marty always did love him feisty. Now, believe me, from here on out, hands off, Marty. Yesterday was just a mistake.